Greetings to you all. I would like to bring your attention to a serious security concern coming from Eastleigh. It's alleged that there is an organized criminal gang called Team Kazoo that are causing havoc in Eastleigh and Nairobi at large. From brutal extortion of business owners, content creators, and celebrities, to horrific acts of violence caught on camera. This is not a movie. It's a reality for Somalis living in Nairobi right now. It's time to speak up and demand justice. It's alleged that the gang members are mostly from one Somali clan called Ogaden, and they have been perpetrating targeted violence against members of the Somali community from different clans, most notably the Majerten. The criminal gang is reportedly involved in a wide-scale extortion racket targeting Somalis living in Nairobi and Eastleigh. The people that they target are prominent social media figures, specifically popular TikTokers and social media content creators. Number 2, public figures including musicians and other celebrities. Number 3, business owners, non-Ogaden, non-affiliated business owners in Eastleigh are allegedly forced to pay monthly protection fee to continue operating within Eastleigh and in Nairobi. Currently, videos are circulating online highlighting a severe escalation in violence. Specifically, a young businessman named Ahmed was allegedly abducted and subjected to extreme physical assault and sexual violence. While there are conflicting reports regarding the initial dispute, ranging from blackmail to a contracted intervention gone wrong, the resulting footage depicts a level of lawlessness that include: Number 1, forced abduction, taking Ahmed to undisclosed location, physical torture, violent assault captured on video while he is naked, sexual violence, allegation of sodomy used as a tool of punishment for coercion. In the video, it can be heard one of the gang members asking, "Who else essayed you?" And the victim Ahmed points at someone standing right there. This brazen nature of these acts, including gang members flaunting extortion loot and luxury assets such as cars online, raises critical questions regarding the role of the National Police Service, Directorate of the Criminal Investigation, the Interior Ministry, the elected Member of Parliament and all the other elected leaders in that constituency, and all other government-relevant authorities and non-governmental organizations. So, in this video, there is an urgent demand for the following. Number 1, accountability. An investigation into why these activities has been allowed to persist openly. Number 2, protection of rights. Immediate state intervention to protect citizens from clan-based violence and extortion. Number 3, national security. Addressing the potential ripple effect where localized lawlessness could evolve into a broader insecurity in the country. I urge all the viewers of this video, and especially Kenyans, to share widely this video so that it reaches the relevant authorities for them to take an action immediately. The scale of these allegations suggests a profound breakdown in local security in Eastleigh. I would like to urge the national government, starting with the Interior Ministry, the Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and the National Police Service to act upon and verify these allegations, and if they are true, to arrest the culprits to face the law. I also call Kenyans to share widely this information so that the relevant authorities can immediately act on this and This to pressure for intervention and immediate action from the relevant authorities. Remember, silence only empowers the aggressor. Let's stand with the victims and the people obviously so that the culprits who are perpetrating these heinous acts can be brought to book. I thank you all.
An alarm regarding a group identified as Team Kazoo that is allegedly harassing and extorting residents in the area. Now, wanasema just yesterday, an influential young man in the area was abducted, SA'd, and all